Atongoria aya a kiama kia KNUT makaite kwigucia kwa marihi mari arutani magirirwo ni kwamukira MARITAYA undu uria kuringana nao ucungagiriria arutani kugerera ihinda iritu. Mendekithia mao ni mbunge ya bururi gukorwo ikihitukia watho wa gwitikiria marihi macio makinyanagirio ni kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani ya TSC.
To be paid by the employer that they know from beginning. Teachers do not know those other bodies. They know Teachers Service Commission.
Makiaria mari mwena wa Kiambu moigite undu uyu ungikinyanirio kigina kiu no gikinyagire arutani ihinda-ini riria riagiriire na njira ya raithi.
All teachers hold to have one employer. An ECD teacher should not be treated like a babysitter. This is a teacher who teaches, who has been trained in the art of teaching, and this teacher ought to benefit from being employed by the teacher's employer.
Hamwe noguo arutani aya mendekithitie mihango ya wandikani kuri arutwo aria matiriha mathomo ukinyanagirio ihinda-ini ria mieri 6.
Teachers who are interns should serve for at least a period of time like 6 months, and then they are converted directly into permanent and pensionable without even going for further interview.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa NJUGUNA.